Hi Jovan, Mrs. Yulin here. We are going to practice reading and writing the sound W. W. When you say W, you hold your lips really tight together, slightly pursed, go W, W, W. W, W, W. W, W, W. Brilliant, well done. Shall we look at some pictures? W, W, which. W, W, which. Which. W, W, window. W, W, window. W, W, window. W, W, wood. W, W, wood. W, W, wood. W, W, web. W, W, web. W, W, web. Watch me draw. Worm, W, worm, W, worm, W, same, same. Worm, W, worm, W, same, 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 same. Now, when we see this side, we say worm. But when we see this side, we say W. Are you ready? Well done. Doing really, really well at this today. Fabulous. Now it's time for some speedy sounds. I've got some sounds here that you've already learned. Let's get W in the pack. I want you to read the sounds as you see them, but when you see our sound that we're looking for, I want you to point, but shouting it out at the same time. Are you ready? Wow, that was super duper quick. Let's get them back in the pack again. Ready? Let's go. Wow, you are getting so good at this. One more go. There you go, he's hidden in the pack. Ready, speedy sounds. Wow, well done. Really, really good. Okay, let's have a little practice of our Fred fingers. So remember, Fred only talks in sounds. He's given me some sounds. He's trying to work out the word. Can you help him? W, 3 fred fingers. W, I, N. Win. Well done. Another one. Ready? W, I, sh. W, I, sh. W, I, sh. Wish. Well done. W, e, b. W, e, b. W, e, b. Web. One more. W, I, g. W, I, g. W, I, g. Wig. Well done. Super fred fingers. Really, really good. Now we're going to have a practice writing the sound W. We start at the top here and we just go down, up, down, up. Again, down, up, down, up. Again, down, up, down, up. Down, up, down, up. Down, up, down, up.